Hey guys, Koso NFT here. Today I show you how to climb in leaderboards. Shield ranking, how to climb or how to earn shield ranking points. First, dimensional rip conquest. Find this dimensional rip conquest. You need to complete this quest to earn shield ranking points like this. You can gain 700 1k shield ranking points by defeating the big head wooden bale, and 1.5 by defeating enhanced rascal rabbit, and 2k defeat ifrit. Guys, this is the one, and I'll show you next. Second, shield pass. Then this, by completing this mission you can earn shield ranking points and shield pass points, guys. Like this mantle equipment 5, just claim it. If you complete, then claim. Like this is a mana potion, you need to do this. Then season pass mission, you need to defeat any field boss, guys, to earn more shield ranking points, guys. Then third, field boss. If you need more points, this is the one of the best farming. The points here is by damage. If you hit more damage, you can gain more shield rank points, guys. You need to wait until spawn. If you finish the first boss, pwede kang lumipat sa ibang boss para mas madami ka pang shield points. Tower of the Sage. You can gain by ranking into this Tower of the Sage. Just click the reward info if you want to know. Like this, if you top 1, you can gain 1.4 ranking points, and top rank 2 you can gain 1.1 ranking points, and rank 3 you can gain 900 shield ranking points. You need to ranking and you can gain 91 to 100. You can gain shield ranking points 100. Then dungeon, guys, you can gain by dungeon hunt, by LB, by ranking again. If you rank 1, you can gain 100. Then rank 2 you can gain 90, rank 3 80, rank 4 to 10 you can gain 70 shield ranking points and more. That's it, guys. Sana nakatulong.